Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to order a Lyft in advance. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Lyft application and this is how it will look like once you open the app. Firstly, if you don't have the location turned on, you're gonna find this message saying update location services. Lyft needs your exact location to find nearby rides. You can either choose turn on precise location or choose enter a pickup location. If you click on enter a pickup location, from here you're gonna find this form that you need to fill with your start and your destination. So firstly, for example, I'm gonna choose Los Angeles, and once you enter your location, you're going to find some results or some suggestions right here. For example, I'm going to choose Los Angeles International Airport. And in destination, I'm going to choose any other place in Los Angeles. For example, Santa Monica. And then right here, you're going to find some details. Los Angeles International Airport. Please wait for the shuttle by the green columns or walk the pickup area. Exit near Terminal 1, your driver will meet you there. You can click on Set Pickup, and then from here, you can choose from the list from here. You can either choose the normal option, which is Lyft. You can choose Lyft XL, that has much more car seats. You can also choose Extra Comfort, Lux Black, or Lux Black XL if you want some more luxurious options. So once you do that, go ahead and click on select Lyft. If you want to request it in advance, go back and then right here, you're going to find schedule. You can click on it and then add the date that you want. For example, I'm going to add, for example, for tomorrow, set the hour that you want, and then click on next and select the Lyft. And all you need to do, guys, right now is to pay it, and then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.